pay me over again? Because you said that if you're borrowing my money and you're just lying, and I think you should give it back to me. If he doesn't, then maybe you could sneak it and get it. I won't do anything with it. I'll just keep it in the closet, and then if the person who gave me the present had a spy camera, I just draw a picture about me playing with it, and then I'll just tape it on. You should say, if you want my money, then maybe could you do me a couple of favors? And then you can earn the money. So it's sort of like allowance, like I have been doing allowance.